You have probably heard someone say or write or tell you not to overtrade. But what is overtrading? What does it really mean? We see some traders place 50 trades a day like it's completely normal, and some traders trade once a month. Nothing here is right or wrong. It all depends on you. So overtrading is placing too many trades, but that would only be possible if you have a max allowed number of trades per day, a rule that you have set for yourself in your trading. For example, if my plan says max allowed number of trades per day 2, and I place 4 trades, that is definitely overtrading. That is a logical approach to what is overtrading. The general medication or prescription to overtrading seems to be 1. Recognize that there is a problem and admit it. Review your trading plan, your trading criteria, and have well-defined rules to follow and to keep yourself in check. And at last, let the trades come to you. Now, I actually love that advice. Let the trades come to you. I've always said that you will have to think and act like the farmer, right? You will have to plant those seeds. You will have to know exactly when and where you would like to potentially trade today. And then you will just have to wait to see if the market actually comes to you, if you will get presented an opportunity to trade today or not, because I have accepted that I'm not in control of the markets. I'm not in control of the opportunities that will come or not come. I will only, my only job is to make sure to be there if the opportunity comes, and when it comes, I will have to act. That is what I'm in control of, and that is what I'm here to do. That is my job as a trader. And when you can accept that, and when you can start thinking like the farmer instead of the hunter, always out there hunting for trades, when you can shift that and become the farmer, then you're in the right mood to think like a professional trader. Now, here is the spin to it. I know that when people talk about overtrading, they are not really talking about placing more trades than they have a max allowance of doing. What most traders refer to when talking about overtrading is having a huge losing day. And the reason they had a huge losing day was because they recklessly placed a lot of trades with no plan. That is what most people refer to as overtrading. And of course, that is definitely overtrading. But to me, I mean, just placing one trade outside of your trading plan is overtrading, because you shouldn't have placed that trade. And you can't just call it overtrading because you also lost money that day. Overtrading is a behavior where you allow yourself to break your idea of trading. And of course, many times you don't have a clear idea of trading. That is where I think most traders will have to start. So my theory is this. In trading, there are 2 types of people. There are gamblers and there are professional traders. Now, most traders definitely fall into the category of gamblers, and that is because they risk money in hopes of winning money, but they don't have any control of what they do, what the odds are. They don't understand the markets at all, which actually means they would have better odds of winning in a casino. If you trade according to a plan, you can actually calculate the odds of you winning or losing, and you can risk money with a complete understanding of just that. Being a professional trader doesn't always mean you're a profitable trader. Profitability or profits is just a side effect, long-term side effect of acting like a professional trader. So I think it's important to separate those two, because a gambler, someone who gambles, can win in the short term. They can win today. They may even win the week. But fast forward 2 years, the gamblers are not here. They have left because they lost. So if you're emotionally connected to money, the markets will expose that weakness within you. If you're addicted to dopamine hits and trading is where you get your high, the market will expose that. And that, my friends, is why people overtrade. They don't have a plan. and they are emotionally connected to trading or the money. A trader that is calm, emotionally stable, he doesn't need money today. Why in the world would he overtrade or put on risk in a situation where he don't know the odds? The answer is he wouldn't. He never will. And that is why he is a professional trader. And that is why, in the long run, he's still here. He's still profiting. He's still winning. Start thinking like a professional trader. Be here for the long run. Think long term. When you don't need it, that is when you get it. Don't let emotions or external factors control you and your behavior. Be in control of your emotions and your behavior. And the outside external factors will adjust to you.